Hi, we're Wim Mags, and this is our second video on filming safaris. Our first one was all about just an overview and what it's all about. If you've missed it, you're welcome to find it on our website. You can find the link below, go check it out.
But that's not why we are here today. Today, we're going to talk to you about our first scheduled safari in May next year to Mashatu Game Reserve. Our first scheduled safari is to Mashatu Game Reserve in the southeastern corner of Botswana. We chose Mashatu because we've been spending a lot of time on the reserve filming here. We produced our three-part series as well as our most recent leopard film, Mashatu Land of Leopards. It's a fantastic area and so diverse. From the sandstone mountains in the south to the open plains where you'll find cheetah, giraffe, zebra, and then closer to the central areas you'll get the dry riverbeds with the iconic Mashatu trees and a very healthy population of leopards. Mashatu is extremely unique in look and feel, and yeah, we can't wait for you guys to join us here.
Kings Walden is situated in the Agatha Forest Reserve, just outside Zanin. It's about a 4-hour drive from Mashatu. It's a tranquil space and beautiful space where we're just going to slow down from the wildlife filming and we're just going to enjoy editing. Because we all suffer from FOMO, we've selected a location away from Mashatu and away from the wildlife action and the filming. It's still a beautiful space where we are going to edit during the day, and in the afternoons we can still enjoy nature.
So if you ever think of stepping beyond stills photography and getting to wildlife filmmaking, this is your chance. Join us on Mashatu.
And if you can't join us on Mashatu in May, you're welcome to go and have a look at our website. We also arrange bespoke safaris, which is uniquely tailored to your needs.
Dat was weer op het glas, ja.
Over to Kings Walden.
We're looking forward to
En ik ben. Well, I thought we were waiting for the wind. Okay. Oh, what is that? Okay, no. I thought I saw something. The starling. Vruchtenvlies. Cut.